Revitalized 2020 for Toyota Tacoma, where polish meets fun. In the realm of mid-size trucks, the 2020 for Toyota Tacoma emerges as a rejuvenated contender, addressing previous drawbacks while retaining the inherent joy synonymous with Toyota's driving experience. The latest iteration not only introduces a more polished aesthetic, but also infuses a dose of contemporary tech, making it a compelling option in an increasingly competitive market. Dynamic evolution under the hood. One of the notable enhancements is found beneath the hood. Toyota bids farewell to the underpowered engines of the past, ushering in a robust 2.4-liter turbo 4 available in 3 states of tune. This power plant, coupled with the Tacoma's new T-NGAF platform shared with the Tundra, results in a markedly stiffer structure, elevating capabilities, handling, and overall comfort. The revamped platform contributes to a more spacious interior, a welcome departure from the previous cramped confines. This strategic shift ensures that the cabin now accommodates individuals taller than 5 feet 10 inches, offering a more comfortable driving experience. Off-road prowess meets on-road competence. For those enamored with off-road adventures, the Tacoma TRD off-road variant stands out. Equipped with trim-specific monotube Bilstein dampers with remote reservoirs, robust all-terrain tires, and essential frame reinforcements, it navigates varied terrains with ease. The incorporation of an optional front sway bar disconnect system enhances stability and articulation, especially in low-speed off-road scenarios. The interior tech receives a significant upgrade, with the standard inclusion of a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and an 8.0-inch infotainment display. Opting for the available 14.0-inch center touchscreen enhances the modern ambience within the cabin. In terms of transmission choices, the manual option, although not compatible with certain off-road features, provides a delightful driving experience, reminiscent of a bygone era of manual transmissions, highway comfort, and contemporary tech integration. On the highway, the Tacoma TRD off-road impresses with well-tuned Bilstein shocks and a rigid TNGAF platform, delivering improved control and ride comfort. Whine noise is effectively managed, and the Tacoma exhibits commendable stability even on uneven freeway surfaces. The manual gearbox, while perhaps not the pinnacle of refinement, adds a layer of enjoyable engagement, a characteristic often missing in modern trucks, navigating the price landscape. Despite these commendable updates, the pricing landscape remains a consideration for prospective buyers. The base model, the Senior Access Cab for Buy 2, starts at $31,500 plus $1,495 destination, marking an increase of $2,900 over its predecessor. Moving up the trim ladder, the SR5 double cab commands $38,695 for a 4x2 and $40,095 for a 4x4. The TRD Off-Road, with a manual transmission, demands $43,295 before additional options. In an era where dealerships are moving away from charging over MSRP, the 2020 for Toyota Tacoma enters the market as a refreshed and compelling option. With a blend of enhanced capabilities, modern technology, and the enduring spirit of Toyota's driving enjoyment, the Tacoma positions itself as a noteworthy player in the competitive mid-size truck segment.